Berrydale. Hey.
Hey. It's a bit of a downer. Hey, today.
Yeah, when you live in a small town, you quickly realize how many people you know. And so if something happens, it affects everybody.
Ja,
And it's been one of those weeks.
dit was 'n baie hartseer week in Berrydale. Ons verwys natuurlik na die afsterwe van Herman Bron. Skielik, ek dink nie almal het al dit reg kon proses op die stadium nie, maar wat ons weet is, hy was een van die vriendelikste mense wat jy ooit in jou lewe sal ontmoet.
Absolutely. I don't know if it's just because he got paid to be friendly because he was a bartender at our regular, but what a genuine soul.
Ja, en ons gedagtes is met sy familie en sy vriende, en ja, dit is, ja, ek dink ek het veel meer wat ek kan sê oor dit op die stadium nie. Sover ons weet het hy 'n hartaanval gehad,
Okay.
maar ons kan ook nog nie spekuleer oor so iets nie, so, ja, dit is ontsettend hartseer.
He died doing what he loved, which is the one. I know there's little that you can take from a situation when someone's so young is stolen from us. Thoughts go out to his family, to beautiful Ems. I don't even know what to say. But yeah, and to everyone in Berrydale, to everyone who knew him, everyone who loved him,
Ja.
we've all lost something.
Ja, dis vir die Eagles, vir almal daar buite, dit is absoluut terrible. Maar dan het ons ook verlede week, inteendeel vandag, wat Sondag is, begrawe ons baie, of ja, dit is
Another Berrydale
nog 'n
legend.
Berrydale legende, oom Johannes, wat al die lijklipmere gebou het, wat ontsettende mooi kuns gemaak het.
Yeah, I had the privilege of actually going into his house one day when I was helping Dieresorg, and he just opened up his house to complete strangers to show his beautiful artwork. What he did with recycled materials was phenomenal. So, yeah, another legend lost.
Ja, so kort op mekaar, en ja, dit is nou maar die deel van die klein dorp, en jy weet, ons celebrate gou as ons iets mooi doen hierso.
Ja.
Ons het SA atleet gehad nou wat
Wow.
4de, 5de beste in die land is in verspring, ou Kendrick Philander. En ons almal rally agter iemand soos dit as dit gebeur, en dan in die geval het ons nou groot tragedie, en ons almal voel dit as 'n collective, kan ek maar sê. Ek voel ons dit ook saam.
Yeah, I know we were voted the best town in the country, but for me, it's still a village.
Yeah.
And what I experienced, we're here 3 years now, and we're finally being accepted into the village. Not that we were never accepted, but you start feeling part of it. You
You
feel
get to
part
know
of
the
the community.
characters, you get to know who's who in the zoo, and that sort of thing. And it's yeah, it touches you when the good and the bad happens. You know?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And on some good sides, I saw that Dieresorg were looking for board members. They got over-numbered, so many nominations, and we
wow.
actually have exceeded the number that was needed, which is wonderful. The netball team were looking for players. They've also exceeded what they needed to get into the league. That's wonderful. But expanding outside of Berrydale, there's I noticed that the mayor of Swellendam updated his profile pic. What's that about?
Dit is nou nogal veel interessant. Dit is blikwurms wat moet oopgaan daar. Ja, so die prentjie van sy WhatsApp status is nou nogal interessante een, want dit verwys daar na korrupsie.
Yeah, it's splitting of two roads. One leads to corruption and the other leads to positivity.
Ja, en dat jy gaan verantwoordelik gehou word vir jou aksies en jou besluite. Nou, die raad kon nog nie spesifiek daar binne 'n besluit neem as sulks nie. Maar dit is 'n baie tense situasie daar op die oomblik.
Yeah, so basically he was saying that it's okay to make your own decisions, just accept the consequences of your decisions.
Ja. Nou, daar is ons 'n paar ondersoeke wat gedoen is. Einde verlede jaar het hulle 'n verslag uitgebring wat gegaan het oor korrupsie in die munisipaliteit self. Dit was die Nexus verslag, en dit is redelik goed hanteer en daar was nie groot nagevolge daar's as sulks nie, maar daar's toe intussen 'n nuwe forensiese ondersoek gedoen by die raad en die uitslae van dit moet nou uitkom en dit verwys spesifiek na die verkeersdepartement. Nou, ons kan nie veel daaroor sê tot daai verslag op die tafel is nie, maar as mens na die burgemeester se profile pic kyk, is dit amper 'n indikasie dat 'n paar mense dalk skuldig bevind kan word. En nou kom ons nou op die politiese deel van hierdie. Is die munisipaliteit korrup? Is die vraag wat elke belastingbetaler homself daar buite moet vra. Nou, kom ons wees realisties hiersoor. In Suid-Afrika is korrupsie nogal 'n ding in elke liewe munisipaliteit, maar wie is die mense wat uit hulle pad uitgaan om te sorg dat dit aangespreek word? Dit is waar goeie governance baie groot verskil maak. So as hulle daai probleme wat hulle dalk daar vind, ons weet nie wat daar is nie, maar soos ons sê, die profile pic sê daar behoort iets te wees. As hulle dit aanspreek en hulle tree reg op hierso en hulle slaan dit hok, dan is dit 'n goeie teken van goeie governance en dit is wat ons wil sien. Want jy kan nie bepaal wat in jou stelsel altyd gebeur nie. Jy kan nie elke persoon polisieer vir foute wat hulle maak nie. Maar as daar sulke goed voorkom, wat dit wil voorkom of hierdie geval is hierso, moet hulle pak slaag kry vir die foute. En as mense skelm is in jou munisipaliteit, moet jy hulle uitkry, want anders raak dit 'n virus wat net groei en dan naderhand, voor jy weer weet, is dit soos, noem die munisipaliteit in Gauteng, behalwe vir Midwal, wat ontsettend groot korrupsie het. So, good luck. Het gaan 'n baie interessante week wees.
It's going to be some interesting times ahead, absolutely.
En dit als in die opbou tot die plaaslike verkiesing. That was also something that featured on one of the groups this week. Registration week's going to be in June somewhere, so you can register to vote for local elections. Yes.
Use the opportunity. If you don't like the government, don't sit and moan about it. Get up and go make your cross. That's all.
Make your cross, do your thing, but exciting, or not exciting, interesting week.
But we also have a new head in Barrydale, don't we?
Yes, a new municipal manager or a town manager that's coming in.
Beginning of next month, I believe, beginning of April. So
April Fool's
I hope
Day,
it's
what
not.
a day to start. I
was just about to say, I hope they're not fooling us here. I think it's been a challenging post. We've had a few changes there over the last years.
But this podcast would like to invite the new town manager to
come and say Barrydale, hey!
Come say hey to Barrydale. You are more than welcome, sir. Let me just double check on his name.
So, talking about big things that happen in Barrydale and Swellendam, I recently had to do a few road trips and got a fright with the lack of fuel and diesel.
Oh, yes.
But I believe that Astron Barrydale is now fully stocked again.
I think with petrol, but not so much. I think diesel's a bit of a headache still.
Diesel's still a challenge.
Yeah.
Do we have any indication on what's happening with the fuel price?
Also, April Fool's Day. It's going to be an interesting April Fool's Day. That's
so
for
everybody, especially if you have a big tank, see that you can get it filled up as quickly as possible.
If you can. But the good news, really good news, is that Route 62 liquors and four-way liquors are fully stocked.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah,
okay.
We'll run out of fuel, but we won't run out of booze just
This
yet.
is Barrydale, that is true.
Dis baie belangrik. En jy hoef nie drankwinkel toe te ry nie, jy kan stap. Dit sal jy goed doen.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Vang 'n stapie af van jou huis af. Dit is probably net 3 blokke en dan kan jy gaan opstok daar. Route 62 liquors, daar waar jy drink reg oor kan die kerk en die pep.
3K walk.
Ja.
So, maximum, so you're good to go.
Ja, gooi jou bottels asseblief in die asblik en nie op die strate nie.
Thank you. Yes, good work to Bobby and the team again for the big cleanup that was done. Excellent. Disappointing to see pictures of bottles lying 3 steps away from a dustbin 2 days later.
Ja.
Come on, people, clean up after yourselves.
Ja.
But we do have great dam builders in Barrydale.
Dam builders. Ek sien so. Dit is Quentin Farrow en sy span.
Oh, really?
Ja.
Oh, well,
He's
well
a painter, he's a dam builder, and I think Tim's very happy with the work.
I believe so, yes. Let's hope that it keeps up to its dam levels.
Yeah, let's seeing that we're getting lay water again. How amazing is that?
Yay, such good news.
Yeah, it's that's also a great community initiative, well driven by Charles Payne and his team. Individuals in certain sectors coming to your house, checking what your necessities are, and either the sluices are clean, and that seems to be working.
Yeah, I'd never heard the word the term lay water before moving to
Yeah, me
Barrydale. Like
too.
it's not something you hear about or see in the cities, and it's very interesting and it's great controversy, but it's excellent.
Yeah, and it's great that we have it, and it's a privilege to have it. It's
Yeah.
expensive, but it's a privilege to have it, and my garden's already saying thank you.
Up in the Putkamp, we don't get I don't get the benefit of, but I know it's certainly on Route 62 on Tennant Road. And another great initiative, Brighthaven. Like, well done with your fundraising. Raffle tickets are still for sale. They will be until the 4th of April. 90 Rand for 5 tickets. There's amazing food hampers to be won. So reach out. Come on, everyone. Let's support Brighthaven.
Yeah, they can do with all the support they need, and well done to Louise, Elizabeth, the whole team there, all the volunteers.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Don't know why we're pinging in the background, but it does bring me to one last vital, important point, because there were still people asking again this week. OK's hours are Monday to Saturday and public holidays, 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., and on Sundays, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m.
That's awesome news. The queues, I don't know about that. It's
They have
confusing.
numbered the tills, they've numbered the queues. It's starting to become a little bit easier. I'm still missing volgende asseblief, but we'll get there.
Thank you so much, Kim. It's been another great Barrydale, hey? And despite the circumstances, let's stay safe out there. And it's Easter weekend coming up, busy time, and also another time to show the rest of the country how awesome this place is.
Absolutely. Safe on the roads, guys. No drinking and driving. And with regard to the WhatsApps, respect the admin, follow the rules.
O ja, ek kan ook net sê die Karoo Saloon se eerste groot rock show was net verby. Incredible. Daai ouens het gerock and roll. War Pigs, absolutely brilliant. Great old school Karoo Saloon. That was beautiful.
What I loved was when you were chatting to the groups of people that went through, everyone was like, yeah, I was a sober driver or I was a sober driver.
Yeah.
So massive respect to everybody who raised their hands to make sure that their friends got there and back safely. Well done, everyone.
Dankie Tersius, die barista wat my veilig huis toe gebring het. Alweer.
Awesome. Mickey, thank you very, very much. And Barrydale Hey will be coming to a channel to you soon.
It's on all the various platforms at the moment. You can find it on YouTube. You can find it on Spotify and Apple iTunes and the whole shebang. So there's no reason not to.
So go ahead, subscribe, like, follow, all of that other good stuff.
How's that?
Barrydale
Hey,
Hey.